Ah man, I got a recap today. It was crazy from the beginning of our what we call pregame. Oh my God, the Pews said shared such an amazing story. Almost, oh man, it almost had me to tears. You gotta be there. Like you gotta check these things out. You know what I'm saying? It was like I said, dynamic duo, Thunder and Lightning. They came through and tore the house down for pregame, shared their story. Oh my God, it's such a powerful story. They're gonna go far. Um, they told the story of losing one of their kids and having everything together, literally everything together. Businesses, jobs, incomes, investments, but their kids aged out of their oldest kid, or not your oldest, but their daughter aged out of the policy for the insurance, and something happened, passed away, and it just when Miss Pugh was talking, Pam Pugh was talking. Oh my God, literally almost brought me to tears. And then it's like fire and brimstone came. Mr. Pugh, Kevin, he came. Oh my God, and he was laying it down. It was like I don't know, like a military sermon, give it to you straight up. But it just, you got to see it. You got to see it. Like, there's some videos out there somewhere. But, oh man, then we get to, our training. It was done by none other than Mr. Eric Conway. You know what I'm saying? Direct line to me and, Vita, who invited me to the business. And, oh my God, yo, he lit it up with our training. Had a game. Oh man, I came in fourth. I was a little too slow. You know what I'm saying? Got all the questions right, but a little too slow on entry because you got to enter them by points. But that was fine. Our team took over. Then, I was kind of proud. You know, a guy I helped get in the business, did our training. He actually did training. I was supposed to do the training on something else, but I'm glad he was prepared. And oh my God, he did training on children's life policies, and these are awesome. He broke it down for us, like why parents should really consider them, because, and then I had to tell my story, like sometimes you have kids like they age out or something, they get older and something happen, they might catch a DUI, or they might have, like a lot of these kids, have some, stuff wrong. They got to go get doctors. They got to get prescriptions. And then next thing you know, they might be either uninsurable or it might cost a heck of a lot more. Now, why not insure them when they less than five and they can start a policy for like $5 a month? You know what I'm saying? It's crazy. Like we got to flip that whole script. We got to educate. You know what I'm saying? That should be the foundation. You know, these people not playing, and we should be able to pass down this generational wealth. But to get generational wealth, it starts with us. We got to make a decision. Like, nobody's going to live forever. So that means everybody should be covered. Everybody can't get covered sometimes, because they waited too late, or, their health. But some things you can get, people with diabetes, people that do a little smoky smoke, you can get coverage. And then definitely don't forget you're young. And then if you're older and have kids, maybe you can't get insured. It's way too much, maybe for you. Even though a lot of times people think it's so expensive, it's not. Like, but there's other ways you can do with a consultation. Maybe you just put more insurance on your kids. Make sure they have something when they get older. There's different ways we can skin this monkey. Different ways we can make a difference. Hey, I don't got what I don't got nothing. I can't do nothing. I can't do nothing. You got a job, okay? You can do that. But you working 40 hours a week for somebody else's dream. Hey, another opportunity. You can work part time, an hour a day. You know what I'm saying? For yourself. Come on now. Let's go. Hey man, hey, all I ask is you check out the information. Check out the information. It's free. I might even have a book or two for you for free. Come on now. Stop playing. Let's go. DEM Financial.